VISTECH's SolSuite software is a componentized product set that supports several implementation options to meet your CPQ needs. At its core is a data repository, or PIM, that provides unmatched capabilities to support definition of catalog and configured product families. Surrounding that are three distinct applications: product development portal that delivers the ability to design and build product catalogs and configurators, the sales portal that integrates with your content management system to become a complete e-commerce website, and an RQO system that fully automates your RFQ to quote to order sales process. Families are groupings of products with similar attributes, but it's important to contain the scope of the family. For example, there are many vehicles, but that's a very broad grouping. Cars and motorcycles are both vehicles, but they have some different attributes. Cars have doors, sunroofs, and trunks. Motorcycles have handlebars, foot pegs. As a result, it's probably a good idea to separate cars and motorcycles into product families so their unique attributes can be better defined and managed. SolSuite supports types of product families: catalog and configured. Catalog product families are just lists of products, each with a unique product number, sometimes called a SKU, or stock keeping unit. Staying with a vehicle theme, searching for books about cars in a catalog would return a definitive list of books with a unique product number, title, an author, and a cost. You order the book, and you know exactly what you receive: that specific book. But if we try to put cars into a catalog, you'll quickly run into some trouble. A local Ford dealer sells 11 models. We can certainly list those vehicles, but that's not really a list of cars you can purchase. Actual cars have more attributes. In SolSuite, we call these domains: interior colors, exterior colors, engine types, drivetrains, and many other options. And that's where it gets complicated. To better scope the issue, I looked at the Ford Escape. It had 4 domains: model, paint color, engine size, drivetrain type. Each of those had a few options. We call these domain values. Since there are 6 models, 6 paint colors, 2 engine types, 2 drivetrains, when we list all possible cars from those domain values, there are 144 different possibilities or permutations. This may seem like a large number. However, there's more to consider. I counted 41 options available on the Escape, and each option has yes and no possible domain values. With 4 main and 41 option domains, the number of permutations using all domains is about 316 trillion. Obviously, a catalog with 316 trillion items might be hard to handle, which is why configurators are so important. An important feature of configurators is rules. For example, if an Escape can only have a sunroof or roof rack option, it reduces the number of permutations in half to about 158 trillion vehicles. To wrap it up, catalogs let you list all possible products, and configurators let you create products based on what we call domain values and rules, eliminating the need to create and maintain intergalactically large catalogs of products. Thanks for listening. Please check out our other videos to learn more about SolSuite.